everybody, welcome to another edition of Technique Tasters from Creative Scrapbooker magazine. I'm Noreen Smith from Organized and Creative Mom, and I'm really excited to be here today with you to make a really fun little Valentine layout using one of the new theme packs from Creative Memories called Sweetheart. We're also going to be using an iconic Creative Memories product called the Custom Cutting System. I'll show that to you in just a minute. And the only other thing besides the theme pack I'm going to be using is a sheet of white cardstock that I'm going to cut down a little bit and a couple of photos of my boys. One of the great things about these theme packs is that they contain everything you're going to need to create at least 2 or 3 different layouts. You get 4 sheets of double-sided pattern paper, 1 sheet of coordinating cardstock, in this case it's crimson, and 2 sheets of stickers. So you've got, in this particular theme pack, there's a sheet of border stickers and then a whole sheet of icons and words. I'm going to cut out some heart shapes from this particular paper, and I'm going to be using the custom cutting system. Now again, this custom cutting system is an iconic Creative Memories tool, basically consisting of templates that you use with a variety of different blades to create shapes that can be made in a variety of different sizes. So this is actually called the gemstones pattern, and it has 2 sizes of hearts, a diamond pattern, and then in the inside of the small heart it's kind of an egg shape. It's great for Easter, that kind of thing, and in the center you have some small hexagons. So this is a really versatile pattern. You receive the 3 plastic templates, and you also receive the sizing guide. So for example, if you were going to cut out a photo from one of these, you could use the see-through size guide to sort of get a sense of where you wanted to cut and how big you would need to make that particular cut. The other thing that's important on this size guide is that there's markings that are in red, green, and blue, and those correspond with the blades, the red, the green, or the blue blade. So once you've determined which template you want and which size you want, you'll know that you need to use the particular blade along with that template. I'm going to be using the small heart template, and the very outside drawing or pattern is using the blue blade, and that actually is about, flip that over, it's about a 4.5 inch heart. So I'm going to cut 4 4.5 inch hearts using my small heart and my blue blade from my green and heart paper. So you can see on the bottom of the blade that there's 2 little pegs, and this whole blade assembly rotates so that it goes around the corners of the templates with ease. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the little pegs inside this track, and then the blade will just rotate on the track all the way around. So let's go ahead and cut some of our hearts. Alright, so you can see that I have my 4 hearts now. I'm actually just going to turn 2 of them over so that I have 2 with the heart pattern showing and 2 with the green pattern showing. Alright, so I'm going to take my hearts and I'm just going to kind of stagger them on the background paper, and I think I'll put my 2 hearts with the heart pattern there, and then my green hearts something like this. I noticed there's made a little bit of a mistake there, but I think I can get that covered up. Okay. All right, so I think I'm going to do something like that, and then I'm going to use the crimson paper to map my photos. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and I think we're ready to just adhere the hearts down as well. So that's my background, and then I'm just going to be kind of placing my photos on top, kind of overlapping the hearts like that. Okay, before I adhere those down, I want to play around a little bit with some of my embellishments. Now, I don't want to necessarily use a full border, but I love this little border with the hearts on it. So I was thinking that I could kind of cut that down and make it into kind of an additional little sticker strip. So I'm thinking that I'm just going to put this in behind here. Just tack that down. I love working with stickers because you don't have to worry about any adhesive. I'm going to trim another little piece and do the same down here. Let's go ahead and adhere the photos now. I have my photos adhered. Let's go ahead and add some let's add some of the word stickers. So I've added a couple of little foam squares in behind this sticker. I like adding foam squares to the back of my stickers, but not peeling off the second little layer. And then that way I can just move them around until I decide where I want them. And then I can take that last little bit of adhesive off. All right, so I've got best friends there. How about something like XOXO up here, maybe, of the heart stickers. I'm using the foam squares, and they come in 2 sizes. So I'm going to use just one big one on my hearts. I think I might write a little word in there, but most of my journaling will be just down here. So I'm going to adhere these, and then I'm going to add a couple more little hearts to finish this off. All right, so I kind of have my little sticker clusters here. I've added a couple of other small hearts, and I'm just going to write Sam and Grayson right here with my dual tip pen. And I'm thinking maybe just here, Valentine's. Day, and it was 2018, so those are a couple years old now. Okay, so I think that's about it for this layout. Really love how fast it came together, and I love the colors in this particular Sweetheart theme pack. So I hope you get a chance to work with the theme packs, and don't forget to dig out that old custom cutting system from Creative Memories. I'm sure you're going to find lots of new, fresh ways to use it. Before I go, don't forget to pick up your copy of the winter edition of Creative Scrapbooker magazine while you can still find it. There might be a few left in stores. The spring issue has gone to print, so you can watch for that in stores, or if you're a subscriber, in the mailbox within the next couple of months. Okay? Thanks again to Creative Scrapbooker magazine for having me. I'll look forward to seeing you in another edition of Technique Tasters soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.